xCloud's new Mailbox add-on provides many powerful features including AI-powered communication through email. Want to migrate your emails from the legacy Mailbox to the new Mailbox? Let's get started. To begin, open the xCloud dashboard and click on Add-ons from the left sidebar. Then click on the Mailbox add-on to open the Mailbox add-ons for. Once inside, you will see the Mailboxes tab is selected by default. This tab displays all your existing email accounts, showing the email account, password, plan, status, and actions columns. To access your webmail directly, copy the credentials and click the Access button next to any mailbox. Now log in using the username and password that you have copied. Once you log in, the Cloud Mailbox inbox opens up. In the webmail interface, you will see your inbox displaying all your emails with the sender name, subject line, preview text, and timestamp. Now navigate back to the xCloud Mailbox add-on dashboard, and from the left sidebar, click on the Migrate Mailbox tab. Before you proceed, remember that migration will be bulk per domain. First, select the domain you want to migrate from the domain dropdown. Below the domain selector, you will see the complete list of mailboxes that will be migrated. All mailboxes under the selected domain are listed along with their individual storage amounts. Once you have reviewed everything and are ready to proceed with this migration, click the Next button. In the next step, click the Download Credentials CSV button to download the CSV file containing all your mailbox credentials for the migration. Now, open the migration tool using the provided link. This opens the Odriga email migration tool in a new browser tab. On this page, you will see a Terms of Service checkbox. Accept the Terms of Service and Privacy Statement checkbox. Then click the Proceed button. Next, you will see the email provider selection page. Keep the source provider set to custom, and the destination provider is automatically set to. Below the provider selection, enter any required additional information in the provided field. Then click Proceed to continue. On the next page, go to the Add Multiple Accounts tab and upload the CSV file you downloaded earlier. Next, click on the Check button. The system begins checking account data, which may take a few moments. Once the validation is complete, click on the Save button. Then click the Proceed button to start the migration right away. You will then see the migration summary. Click on the Start Migration button and it will begin migrating the emails from the legacy mailbox to the new mailbox. Once all accounts finish migrating successfully, navigate back to the xCloud Dashboard tab. Now, check the confirmation checkbox that reads, "I confirm that I have completed the data transfer for all mailboxes in this migration." Then click the Next button. Click the OK button from the confirmation dialog to proceed to the DNS configuration step. If you have a different domain provider, then click on the Open DNS Settings button for the domain you want to verify and verify the records manually. Or if your domains are managed through Cloudflare and you have Cloudflare integration with xCloud, then you can verify the DNS records in just a click. After enabling, you will see that the domains are verified. Click the Next button to proceed to the final step. All 4 mailboxes are listed below with green check marks confirming they are ready for the final switch. Click the Finish Migration button. Copy the credentials and visit the new mailbox. Log in using the credentials. Now you can see all your emails have been migrated successfully from the previous legacy mailbox. That's it. This is how easily you can migrate your mailboxes from the previous provider to the new provider with xCloud. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips.